It's so hard trying to film them two together. Poopy's chasing the chicken. Poopy leave the chicken alone. And then another magpie. Yeah, you're not too bad. I don't know if Poopy's gonna like you. Poopy, leave him alone. Anyway, back to what I was getting to. The baby one and Floyd are getting along a bit better. What do you want, sir? That could be Ralph, you know. I don't know. You just pinched the baby's food. Look at that cheeky little bugger. Baby! What are you doing, Poops? What are you doing? Look at Floyd. She's like, ooh, you look nice. Do you like my song? Is that your boyfriend, Floyd? What are you doing up there, Poops? You're such a character. You leave them alone, Poopy. The baby's gone back up the tree. Poopy's being an idiot. Yes, I'll leave yous alone.